Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating reliable feedback. Stand or sit tall, shoulders relaxed, jaw soft. Place fingertips lightly on your throat and swallow once to feel the larynx move up and down. This sensory map is crucial. Once you can feel that 1-2 cm travel, inhale diaphragmatically 3 times to calm muscles. Make sure to keep pressure minimal so you sense motion without forcing it. Now you're set to practice controlled, small-range laryngeal adjustments. You will now coordinate sound with larynx movement. Begin humming on a comfortable pitch, then slide the pitch down slowly 3 to 5 semitones while gently imagining the voice dropping from your chest. This encourages the larynx to lower. Make sure to use tiny, graded adjustments, about 1/2 to 1 centimeter per repetition, so tissues adapt. Once done, reverse the slide upward with the same control. Repeat 6 to 8 times, pausing to check for tension and clear tone. You finish by integrating stability and safety. Perform a yawning sigh while maintaining the lower larynx position for a few seconds to teach the muscles to hold that placement. Once done, practice brief sustained vowels at the new height to reinforce control. If you feel strain or hoarseness, stop immediately, take several steady breaths, and cut your range by half before resuming. Make sure to log the approximate centimeter change and comfort level so you
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.